If your business is going badly, check if you have done this. Many people start their own businesses for the wrong reasons, and whether you want to start a business or already have one that is going badly, you should pay attention to what I'm about to tell you to avoid or correct these mistakes. Maybe you have made one of these mistakes. You started your business because you want to start one of these businesses that promised you would make thousands of dollars a month quickly, without effort, and without being a specialist in that niche, like the typical scams of cryptocurrencies, dropshipping, or selling on Amazon. Maybe you started a business because you need money quickly. Or maybe you started an online business because you think you will get more clients without any effort online compared to a physical business. The truth about how to successfully choose your business and what you should know before starting a business is this. First, choose something that people are already buying. This allows you to be sure that there are already people buying that product or service. Look at how other businesses promote that product, how they sell it, and how they deliver that product or service. Keep track of all the details that make your competition successful, adapt them to your own, and start that business that people are already buying in the way it is already succeeding in that market. Many businesses that you can be successful with are businesses you consider traditional, like physical stores that are very successful and always have many customers in your city. If you have been convinced to start a dropshipping business instead of trying this before, then, my friend, you have been scammed. Do not waste your time and money, and choose the type of business that is already being successful in your city or in your professional niche market, physically or online, and replicate your version of it. If you do not know how to do this, I explain in detail how to do it in the link you will find in the video description. Second, you should choose a profession you already know how to do. Many people fail because they start businesses they know nothing about. They want to hire someone from the start who knows how to run their business for them, and that is always a mistake. When you start any type of business, you are the one who has to know how to do the job. At the beginning, you do not have the money yet to hire an expert who knows better than you about how to do the job, and you will hardly have enough money to pay your personal expenses and the business expenses. Also, when you start a business, you have to have the premises, the materials, the products, and pay all the expenses of being open. This situation is not the time to learn how to do your job. This is the time when you should already know how to make your product and how to sell it. If you do not know enough about the type of business you want to start, about the niche, and about what the people in that niche want about that product that you are trying to sell them, how do you expect to create that business and make it successful? And all while losing money every week. First, dedicate time and practice to develop a skill, become an expert in it, understand the niche market and how paying customers want it, and when you have mastered this, start your own business based on what you already know to do. And third, quickly launch a minimum viable product. This is the most important thing you should do. Whatever business you decide to start, do not wait to dedicate a year, all your money, and launch the perfect product. Create a version of the business that is the minimum necessary to test the idea. Create the fundamental physical or digital appearance that your business needs to show so that it is not automatically rejected just for that. You will improve it later. Create the basic version of your first product. Choose the product that you know your potential customers tend to buy most from other businesses like yours, and start with that. This is the product that you most likely will be successful selling even when anybody knows you. It should be of good enough quality for customers to have a good experience, but do not expect them to have a perfect experience with that first version of your product. And launch launch your business idea quickly. The more months it takes you to launch this basic version of your business idea, the more costly in time, money, work, and frustration each attempt will be if you fail. You have to understand that nothing guarantees that your first attempt at launching your business will be successful. Create the basic version of the business. Invest a small amount of time and resources and test this version in the real world to see if it is what people want. From that point on, you can decide whether to continue working on improving and growing the same idea or if you should pivot to another thing. Do not start a business for the wrong reasons. Review what I just explained about how to properly plan which business you should start and how to do it to increase your chances of success, and you will thank me later. Subscribe to the channel and watch the next video where I will guide you with more detailed information on how to lay the foundation for your business.